Hello and welcome to the 7th episode of my 7-part fitness series for fitness enthusiasts. Summary. In our previous 6 episodes, we saw first mindset, the very purpose of training. Why should you train? It should not be for weight loss or weight gain or muscle gain or six-pack abs or 36, 24, 36 figure. No, it should come from within. The purpose of training, the energy, the feel of getting that kind of fitness with which you can do whatever you want, whatever kind of physical activity you want to get into. Your physicality should not become a hindrance in whatever you want to do. Then from there on, you do whatever. You want muscles, you want to lose weight, gain weight, whatever. It's up to you. But first, get that mindset right. Then we saw posture, mobility, flexibility. Very important. Never do the mistake of starting your training without getting your posture right. After that, we saw strength training. Busted a lot of myths over there. Endurance training. So all your heart rate. Remember how specifically I took you to the 3 heart rates. Resting heart rate, your VT1 and your VT2. Your 3 heart rates that you must know. If you don't know those 3 heart rates, you are just shooting in thin air. You have no idea what you're doing. You are just getting tired and you're like, okay, I'm tired, so I'm going to get the results. No, it doesn't work like that. After endurance training, we saw nutrition. Yeah, we saw nutrition. So I gave you the timings of the day, the best time to eat, how you should split your meals, what's intermittent fasting. I give you an insight into it. After that, how to choose the right trainer for you. Now that all this is done, now what will be your next question? Obvious next question. How do I start? Right? So now I know all this. These were the things you need to know before you go to the gym. So I know these things. Now I want to start. How do I start? Today I'll give you a theory and I'll leave it over there. At least you will know 2 things. How to start and whom to learn from. Let's begin. Till the day you train, remember this. Remember this theory. I'm writing it down for you. Flexibility improves day by day. Strength improves week by week. Speed improves month by month. Endurance improves year by year. Remember this. So, if you are starting off training, what will you start with now? This is where everybody goes wrong. You walk into the gym, you start weight training. What happens within 4 weeks? The same pain is coming back again, right? Wrong. That is where you go wrong. Now, what you need to do is, you will always start with what comes the easiest. As per this theory, what comes the easiest? Flexibility. What comes last? Endurance. Correct? So, what will you do? You will start with a mobility routine. You will start with a flexibility routine and an endurance routine. Remember in the endurance video how I told you those whole list of things that happen when you do endurance training? So when you start endurance training, it will take time to catch up with everything else. So you need to start walking, jogging or running, swimming, you're cycling, rowing. All this needs to start with a good mobility and flexibility routine. Once you do this, you will see results coming very fast. That's when you pick up weight training. Once this is set, then you get into speed training. That is where you start your high intensity training and all those kind of trainings. This is how it is prescribed. Now, now that I've told you this, can you go and do it? No, you cannot. That is where the trainer comes into play. And I've already given a full episode on how to choose the right trainer. So now you know these things and you will go and choose a right trainer for yourself. Now tell me, does this sound easy to you? When all the biomotor abilities are reacting differently, you need to put them together and prescribe a workout program. How easy is this? Extremely difficult. Do you know how much education goes into this? How much experience goes into this? This can be given to you by somebody who's an exercise scientist, sports scientist, certified strength and conditioning coach, exercise physiologist, sports nutritionist, sports psychologist, or a very experienced certified fitness trainer. Not a VJ, TV show winner, model, actor, actress. How will they give you this? And that is what is happening with you. You are trying to learn this kind of complicated science. Online, somebody is selling you for 8 weeks and 12 weeks plan, all of these people that I just mentioned, and you are buying it from them. How will you see results? Do you know how much damage it is causing to people? And how do I know? Because they come back to me. And this is the reason why I have come online and I'm making on this platform, YouTube, my Instagram, and I'm putting out this kind of knowledge. Again, I am not selling you anything. I have no plans to sell. Nothing. No 12-week plan, no nothing. You have to comment on my videos and tell me what you are not understanding. Don't tell me which plan to buy from you. I have nothing to sell. You tell me what you are not understanding. I will make it and I will make those videos and give you. Where are you getting stuck in your training? Which plateau have you hit? Are you understanding what repetitions to be done? Are you understanding the volume of training to be done? Are you understanding how much rest to take between sets? Are you understanding your meal plans? Which new nutrition plan is coming which you are not understanding? Your diet fad that is coming. Tell me these things. I will make videos for you and give. But it is high time that you follow somebody who knows like me or people like me, like those long genre of people that I gave you. Follow them. Learn from them. Not actor, actress, model, VJ, DJ, RJ. They are not somebody who should be prescribing exercises to you and selling online. They are excellent with their whole online marketing and glamorous thing. You are falling trap for that. Don't let this happen to you. So start commenting. Tell me what you want to learn and I will make videos and give you accordingly. So now I will wait to hear from you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. Pass this video to as many friends of yours who are going through the same thing and not understanding how to design that perfect routine or even basic things like all the 6 episodes that I made for you. Pass it on to them. It will surely be of help to them. So I will wait for your comments and whatever you need after this, the next videos that will come will be what you ask for. Thank you.